When two hosts communicate with each other over an unsecured network and they want to transfer sensitive data between them, the communication must be encrypted and secure enough. SSL and TLS are two protocols that are developed for this purpose. They ensure security for bank and e-commerce transactions over the unsecured internet. We often use the terms SSL and TLS interchangeably. Are they the same or are they different? What is the difference between SSL and TLS? In this video, we would try to understand that. The SSL protocol was initially developed by Netscape. SSL version 1.0 was never released because it contains several security flaws. SSL version 2.0 was released in February 1995. But SSL version 2.0 also contains some serious security flaws. So, SSL version 3.0 was developed and released in 1996. But SSL 3.0 was also found to be not secure enough. It was found to be vulnerable to the Poodle attack. The Poodle attack affects all block ciphers used in SSL. Even the RC4 cipher supported in SSL 3.0 was also broken. As a result, in June 2015, SSL 3.0 was deprecated. TLS 1.0 is an upgraded version of SSL 3.0. It was defined in January 1999. The difference between SSL 3.0 and TLS 1.0 is not dramatic, but TLS 1.0 is much more secure than SSL 3.0, and TLS 1.0 can interoperate with SSL 3.0. If a client or server does not support SSL 1.0 connection, the connection can downgrade to SSL 3.0, though that weakens the security. TLS 1.1 was later developed in April 2006. It is an upgraded version of TLS 1.0. It adds protection against cipher blockchaining attacks. And TLS 1.2 was released in August 2008. This version is more secure than TLS 1.0 and it removes the backward compatibility such that TLS 1.2 sessions do not fall back to SSL 2.0. The recent TLS version is TLS 1.3 and it was released in August 2018 and it is supposed to be more secure than earlier TLS versions. I hope this helps. However, interested viewers who want to know more can refer to the website of the Security Buddy. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.